What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to take a look at a flashlight from ReyLight. It is the Pineapple Mini in titanium. Very cool little flashlight. Comes with some more extra rubber washers. Oh yeah, very, very cool. Super tiny. Given the name Mini. So very nice stonewash finish. It would be nice if they actually did the clip in stonewash. That would really be nice. It's got a nice deep carry pocket clip, allowing you to really tuck it into your pants. Has a nice retention. Single LED light. Okay, let's get that out of there. And if we, well, okay. And you've got a 10440 battery, flat top. Very cool, very cool. Get that sucker back in there. Seals up very nice. Got one tritium slot right there if you want to put a tritium slot. And we have a hard click to turn on. And then you have half clicks to go through your modes. I do believe the full power is right around 250 lumens. That is variable, I guess, because you can use different batteries and it does fluctuate from there. So yeah, very cool. These flashlights are really, this is a smooth version. There's another version that has kind of a, or it has ridges all the way around it. I thought the smooth version be a little bit nicer for me. I personally get in and out of your pockets. Those ridges I think would really make it a little more difficult going in and out of your pocket. They would add retention, but they would also probably work as kind of tearing up your pocket. And I have enough things that tear up my pockets. But very cool, very small flashlight. Fits good in the hand. So the only thing I would like to have seen, I'd like to see a lot more pocket clips move into the hat clip too, where you can clip it onto your hat. That's a genius idea. I would like to see more of these less expensive knives have pocket clips like that, because it doesn't really add another whole dimension to really making a tiny flashlight like this just way more convenient. But other than that, this thing doesn't weigh anything. Super small. So we got 3.5 inches totally long and about a ½ inch thick. So yeah, very, very small, very handy, and it definitely seems to be, got your moonlight, got, oops, I just totally turned it off. For such a little flashlight, it does have some power. So we will check it out. We'll let you guys know how we feel about actually using it on the job and in darkness. And I will probably down the road ultimately do some actual night tests where you guys can actually see what these will look like in the dark. That can be a tricky thing filming, but that's what we'll probably do down the road. But this is just an unboxing today. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. We will catch you next time. Have a great day.